Hello guys, welcome to another section of orthographic drawing. Last class we did an introduction on orthographic drawing which we talk about the first angle projection, and we did an example showing where we can place or draw our front view, or we can call it front elevation, and also the plan view or the plan elevation, the right hand side view, and also the left hand side view. And we also talk about I gave you an example of how the symbol of the first angle projection looks like. Just just in case you're being given a question and they didn't indicate the angle. Once you see the diagram, the symbol, you should know that it is actually indicating the first angle orthographic projection. Just in case you missed the last class, just click in the description. You'll see a link that will take you to the video. Thank you. Let's move on to what we have today. Okay, now seeing this image, the self should draw in first angle projection, taking X as your front view. Remember, I told you that wherever the arrow is pointing, that will represent our front view. And most of the times, we see this image or see this image attached to a block or something, attached to an object. So in this session, I'll be showing you how we can actually represent this image if we see it, or if it is being attached to another object. So now let's dive in quickly. So first of all, I said we'll draw the orthographic lines, which is a horizontal line and also a vertical line. It should be a construction line. Construction lines are thin continuous line. And also I will draw my angle, which is at angle 45 degree, at angle 45 degree. So now they said we should take S as our front view. Now remember, I said before drawing any orthographic view, you assume the object to be kept at your eye level, meaning that this bottom should be kept at your eye level. Then look directly at the object. So if I should look this object in this direction, what am I going to see? I will see this image, which is this right angle triangle, which is this. That's what I will see. I will see this, something like this. If I look at it in that direction, that is what I will actually see. So now I'll be drawing my front view in this point. So let me draw the baseline. It should be a straight horizontal line. Your baseline should be a straight horizontal line. So now from this point to this point is measured 50 millimeter. So in my ruler, I'll mark at 5 centimeter, or I can say 50 millimeter if your ruler is in millimeter. This is 0 to 5, which is 50 millimeter. Then I will draw a vertical line projecting this here. Should be straight line. Remember, use your t-square and your set square to make it look more neat and faster. So that is that. And from this point here to here is measured 50 millimeter also. I'll do same thing. I'll mark out 50 millimeter. Then I'll join this point to this point. Yes, that's all for the front elevation, or you can say the front view. All right, now let me project these lines down. This point here, I'll project it down. Now, coming to the plan view. Coming to the plan view. Plan view, I said, is looking directly on top of the object, and also the object must be opposite your direction, or opposite the direction of the arrow. So now, if I keep this object in this direction of this arrow opposite me, facing me, and I look directly on top of the object, what am I going to see? I will see this object here, or this view. I will see it, but I won't see. The many mistakes people make is drawing a web. Like if you want to draw the plan view or the side view of this, you would draw it maybe like this. No, a web, once you're looking directly on top of it, it becomes flat. Like maybe a rectangle, it becomes flat. So if I should look it in this direction, which is on top, I will have it, it will look something like this, to be flat. So please take note so that you won't make such mistake. So I'm seeing the image or this section here to be flat, and the dimension is what, 20 millimeter. So you can see that's why I suggest we should draw what, the projection line. You can see the projection line is actually telling us that it will be flat. Understand? It won't be slanted or something. So I will draw also my baseline for the plan view where my drawing should start. Don't draw on the orthographic lines, it's not right. So I'll take the measurement, which is 20 millimeter, from here to this point, 20 millimeter, from here to here, 20 millimeter. So I can join it. 20 millimeter. Also project these lines from the outline to the angle, then take a straight line, draw a vertical line upward from that point of intersection with the slanted line drawn at angle 45 degree. Then also I'll project my lines from the front view. That has been done already. So I'll do this for this. If I don't want to waste time doing my measurements, I'll just do this and I will get the image projecting out already. This is the image. But for more clearer explanation, if this is my front view, I'll look at this image in this direction. So if here is my front view, meaning that this will be my left hand view and this will be my right hand view, and I say that the right hand view will be drawn here while the left hand view will be drawn the other side. So if I look at this image in this form, this image will appear flat, which is vertically flat, not slanted. Please take note. So if I look at this image in this form, I will see it in this, I'll see it like this. So please take note. So and you can see from this projection lines we've done, you can see that the image is already coming out, or the object is already coming out. So I can decide to take my measurement, or I will decide to make this line thick, which is projecting it out. So if I want to confirm the measurement, here is 20. I can check, I can see that it is also 20. So just join it, 20. This is also 20, 20, 20. And that's all. My plan, elevation, or my view, then my right hand elevation slash view. Alright, thank you guys. See you in the next class. Bye.